Meghalaya Wushu Association 3 lakhs.
It is wrong. We got to read 2 lakh.
Nekas ngi khatway tari ulber arja arpuar la play ka wushu state level championship ka bakat khandai ha Shillong. Haba ai ki kitien priang muram uba Doni Rani ubalong president ka Meghalaya Wushu Association ulapan syai pat ba baka association kala yo arlak om lailak kombala Pynbna da Myntri ka sports uba bantai dor hayang dor ba tau an hinen kasngi shipau tari ulber arja arpuar. Shushu President ka Meghalaya Wushu Association ulapan tip baya kanig pisa la yo ban yarap yaki khana yelek kai na ka banta ka bailet bai wan jongki ban mikmat ya ka jilla haki lumpung yelek kai ba pher jongkari bat ka parthai.
Meghalaya Wushu Association 3 lakhs.
It is wrong. We got to read 2 lakh. Well, it was announced in the assembly that 3 lakh. I have to clarify that in front of our members here, so that that kind of amount will not do anything. If we organize at state level, almost 1 lakh we finish. We cannot get this type of money. If we go to one national, we have already gone to 2 national, 1 junior and 1 senior. So minimum 50,000 is just a traveling cost. So this way 2 lakh is finished. We cannot get that, but it was wrongly mentioned, I hope, that 3 lakh has been given. No, this is wrong. So I want to clarify this.